The 2027 Lexus GX Nismo Concept reimagines what a luxury off-road SUV can be in the future. Known for its rugged capability and premium comfort, the Lexus GX has built a strong reputation among SUV enthusiasts worldwide. With the introduction of the imagined 2027 GX Nismo Concept, Lexus takes the vehicle to a whole new level by combining aggressive performance styling, advanced technology, and legendary off-road capability into one stunning package. At first glance, the 2027 Lexus GX Nismo Concept immediately stands out with its bold and muscular design. The front fascia features a redesigned spindle grille with a sportier Nismo-inspired appearance. Sharp LED headlights stretch across the front end, giving the SUV a futuristic and aggressive look. Large air intakes, aerodynamic accents, and performance-inspired body elements make the concept appear both luxurious and powerful. The side profile highlights the vehicle's commanding presence. Wide fenders, premium alloy wheels, and sporty side skirts enhance its athletic stance. Black accents combined with Nismo red detailing create a striking contrast that emphasizes the SUV's performance character. Every angle of the concept is carefully designed to balance elegance with aggression, making it one of the most exciting luxury SUV concepts imagined for 2027. At the rear, the GX Nismo Concept features sleek LED taillights connected by a full-width light bar. A redesigned rear bumper, sporty diffuser, and dual performance exhaust outlets give the SUV a distinctive appearance. The rear design complements the front perfectly while maintaining the premium identity expected from Lexus. Inside the cabin, the 2027 Lexus GX Nismo Concept delivers a truly modern luxury experience. High-quality materials such as premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum accents create a sophisticated atmosphere. Nismo-inspired red stitching and performance seats add a sporty touch without compromising comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved digital display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. Drivers can access navigation, vehicle settings, entertainment features, and advanced driving information with ease. Voice controls, wireless smartphone connectivity, and over-the-air software updates ensure that the vehicle remains technologically advanced for years to come. Passenger comfort remains a major focus. The spacious interior provides generous legroom and headroom for all occupants. Multi-zone climate control, ambient lighting, premium audio systems, and customizable seating configurations make every journey enjoyable. Whether driving through city streets or exploring remote landscapes, the GX Nismo Concept offers an exceptional level of refinement. Performance is where the Nismo badge truly shines. The concept is expected to feature a powerful hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V6 powertrain that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. The combination of traditional engine performance and electrified assistance improves acceleration while maintaining efficiency. Instant torque delivery helps the SUV respond quickly in various driving conditions. A sophisticated all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability. Advanced suspension technology adapts to changing terrain, providing both excellent on-road comfort and serious off-road capability. Multiple drive modes allow drivers to tailor the vehicle's performance characteristics based on road conditions and personal preferences. Safety remains a top priority for Lexus. The 2027 GX Nismo Concept is envisioned with the latest generation of Lexus safety system technologies. Features may include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and advanced parking assistance. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and passenger protection. Sustainability also plays an important role in the concept's development. Lexus continues to explore eco-friendly materials, improved manufacturing processes, and electrified technologies. The hybrid powertrain helps reduce emissions while maintaining the powerful performance expected from a Nismo-inspired SUV. The 2027 Lexus GX Nismo Concept represents an exciting vision of the future. It successfully combines luxury, performance, technology, and off-road capability into a single package that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Its bold styling, advanced features, and powerful hybrid drivetrain make it one of the most impressive concept SUVs imagined for the coming years. For SUV enthusiasts, luxury vehicle fans, and future automotive technology followers, the 2027 Lexus GX Nismo Concept offers a fascinating glimpse into what could be the next evolution of premium performance SUVs. It showcases how Lexus might blend its legendary reliability and comfort with the excitement and sportiness associated with the Nismo performance philosophy, creating a truly unforgettable vehicle for the future.